Hey everybody, today I have a Matco impact gun that has a Ingersoll Rand titanium nose piece on it. This was changed obviously, but Ingersoll Rand basically makes the air impacts for Matco. So on this gun here, if you can see, the anvil is all chewed up here and here, and actually it is bent up. It is getting ready to break. So we talked to our Matco guy, and he's having supply contracts because of you know why. And so he said, well, hey, I've got this junk gun that you can steal the anvil out of. So one of the problems is this housing is a lot bigger than the Ingersoll Rand titanium housing. So we might have to change the housing over, or we might just be able to change the anvil over. He doesn't care what we take out of that gun. So let's get these apart and see what we're going to have to do. So right back here, there are 4 bolts that take a T25 Torx. So we're going to take these 4 bolts out. And then once we get these 4 bolts out, the nose piece will come right off. You just got to be real careful taking anything apart so nothing falls out. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to reuse the nose piece, the Ingersoll nose piece or not. Okay, so now that I got that apart, I'm going to flip this up. I'm going to grab the anvil, and I'm going to take this apart really slow. And yep, the anvil, I don't know if you can see it in there, the anvil is actually, let me slide this out. This anvil is actually broken. Okay, so we know it's definitely broken. So I'm just going to set this gun over here for a second with all its parts. And we'll go ahead and take the loaner gun apart. Now it looks like something, yeah, there's a big piece still stuck inside here that we're going to have to get out. This isn't unusual. He takes really good care of his gun. This is our inspector's gun, but you know, he is constantly taking tires on and off of cars all day long. So it sees a bunch of abuse. Alright, so same thing, we're going to be real careful. Actually, this nose piece wants to slide off, so I'll just take this nose piece off. We'll set that there. And there's a gasket here. And then here's the anvil, so let's see. I think I'm just going to go ahead and change the whole piece. Nice and easy. Easy breezy. Then you don't have to worry about can you still see me? Yeah. We'll take it apart. We'll just reuse everything. And see, there's a piece right there. So we'll put this anvil back in on this one. There we go. So now we're going to need to look and see if these are the same. Guess what? They look like they're the same. Let me go get a measuring device to make sure they're the same, but I do believe they are the same, and I will be right back. So his Ingersoll Rand titanium nose piece, the bushing fell out of it. Well, the bushing is broken. Okay, this bushing here is stuck in this one, and I can't get it out, so I think we're going to roll with this one. So everything looks clean. I'm just going to go ahead. I got some grease. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit more grease in here. And that little slot goes down over the trigger. So we're just going to go ahead and slide. This one has a red gasket. See the red gasket right there? We're just going to go ahead and slide that back together. put the 4 screws in it. T25. Now, I'm not tightening them all the way up yet. I'm just getting them all snug. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and tighten them up on a crisscross pattern. All right, so now let's take a look. Yep, anvil's spinning. Now this is all full of stuff. You're supposed to take one of those needle greasers and come in here and grease the hammers, but I went ahead and put a little extra grease in there. Let's see if it works. Oh, he's got the wrong end on this gun. Great. Well, his gun doesn't fit in the back room because he's got the wrong needle, wrong air fitting, excuse me. But I do believe that this is going to be fine. And if you wanted to just change the anvil, sometimes you just get the anvil. The anvil just comes out. These are the 2 hammers here. It just falls right out. So there are the pieces, and then what you would do is you would just slide the regular anvil right back in the same way it came out. Alrighty, everybody, here is a quick one. Don't be scared to take these apart to change the anvils on them or to grease them. I'm going to dig all that crap out of there and get my needle greaser, put a little bit more grease on it, and we'll put it on the other air hose that this fits on to make sure it works. But there you go. That's how you change the anvils in these guns, and it seems like this feels good. All right, everybody, I think I'm going to leave it at this. Thanks for watching. You can always subscribe in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos. All right, bonus footage. I went ahead and I put a new air fitting in it because we got a bunch of new ones at the shop. So there we go, and forward, reverse, everything feels good. I think I put enough grease in there for the hammers, so this one's done. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching the bonus footage.